After finishing this activity, you'll be able to find and replace text in a Word document. Find and replace. Find and replace helps you to find words or formats in a document and can let you replace all instances of a word or format. This is particularly handy in long documents. To use Find and Replace, use the shortcut Ctrl+H or navigate to Editing in the Home tab of the ribbon, then choose Replace. To just quickly find something, use the shortcut Ctrl+F or navigate to Home, Editing, and then choose Find. Replacing a word in a Word document. Sometimes your document is too long and you need to replace a certain word with another. To do that, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+H on your keyboard or navigate to Home, Editing, and then choose Replace to reach the Find and Replace dialog box. Type what you want to find in the Find What field here and the replacement in the Replace With field. Here I have typed day in Find What field to be replaced with hour in the Replace With field. Clicking on Replace All will replace all the words day into hour. The message here says, all done, we made 2 replacements. This means that when it's searching, it found 2 words, day, and changed them into hour. As we can see here, these 2 used to be day, and now they're changed into hour. In the dialog box, we have the option Find Next. Find Next highlights the first occurrence of the find word. Clicking Find Next again will highlight the second occurrence. Clicking Find Next again will highlight the next occurrence, and so on. Find and Replace dialog box, More options. Click the More button in the bottom left corner of the Find and Replace dialog box to find more options. There are many options here, but we will only focus on 3: Match Case, Format, and Special. First one is Match Case. Case is whether a letter is uppercase or lowercase. If the Match Case box is checked, then Find and Replace becomes case sensitive. The second button is Format. Click the Format button to select from a variety of formatting options such as font, paragraph, and so on. When a formatting style is selected for Find, the Find term must have that formatting to be found. The last one is Special. Special refers to special characters, or characters that are not on the typical keyboard. In Find and Replace, some of these characters can also be things like any digit or any letter. Find function. You can also find words with the Find function. Simply, finding where a word is used in a document is faster with the Find function. To open the Find function, use the shortcut on your keyboard, Ctrl+F, or navigate to Home, Editing, and choose Find. This will open a navigation menu to the left. Type in the navigation text field that says Search Document for the term you want to find. The term will be highlighted throughout the document. You can scroll through the document to see the highlighted occurrences, or you can scroll down through the navigation pane to see where each word occurs in the text. Here, I will type hour, and the word hour is highlighted in my document.